I was driving and I ran across this. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's another farmer's market in Rehoboth. Let's check it out. So it is a farmer's market. Wow, this place is really nice. Very well organized and clean. It's a seafood stand.
Okay, just one.
Coffee in there. We do breakfast sandwiches, lunch sandwiches, pies, it's great.
Yeah, I stick with these. Definitely.
What a nice place to have a farmer's market. Yeah, it is.
It's actually, it's like a, I don't know how to explain it. Yeah, it feels like two separate things. That was a holiday year. Yeah. I try a little sample, yeah.
Sample kombucha?
Yeah. Yeah. I've heard it before too.
I don't like the big light, and then So 25.
How are you?
25, 55, and then
I'm sorry?
Is that a video camera?
Yes, it is. I've been to the one in DC and Arlington.
Yeah.
I just drove by because I vacation here.
Oh, okay.
And I saw this. I'm like, wow, this place is amazing.
Yeah, this is great.
How long has it been here?
All summer.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
Every
yeah.
summer?
Every summer.
For how long?
Till the end of October.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
awesome. That's great.
Starts the end of April
Okay.
and goes straight through till
Awesome. And your name?
Marty.
Marty. Thank you, Marty. Appreciate it.
You're very
I'm
welcome.
gonna keep on looking around.
Enjoy,
I will.
sure.
Appreciate it.
and when I go back to my home, I'm like, this is gonna be green. That one's gonna be.
Your mom's always, saying, hey, look, I got it. Anything else? That is all.
I take food.
No issues.
This way we can just make a salad.
It's got no added sugar, just sweetened with dates. Fully gluten-free, obviously plant-based, like I said, and 15 grams of protein per bar. It tastes incredible. They're also made with organic functional lettuce.
Well, that was pretty awesome. I'm glad I stopped by. That was really cool. Small market, but it's very nice. Clean, well organized. Okay, let's get out of here. It's a good find.